here from the blog theduvallhomestead.com, and today I'm going to show you a summer farmhouse home tour. If you are brand new around here, I'm going to show you our little farmhouse slash homestead, as I call it, which is a very small piece of land property. We have a small garden, and I consider it a homestead because we do everything from scratch, cook from scratch, make our own household products from scratch when I can, and everything is a very simple, traditional lifestyle that me and my husband and our soon-to-be baby like to live. So I hope that you get that from this home tour. So what I found most useful to do in my home decor this summer was to bring in fresh flowers from our backyard, and I actually cut a whole bunch of flowers and I didn't know what I was going to do with them, and then I just got all the vases that we had in our kitchen, filled them with water, and then just arranged them. So all the flowers around the house are basically from that one time I cut them. I have a couple pieces that I sewed that I will show you. They are kind of 4th of July themed, but I like to do red, white, and blue kind of all summer. It just reminds me of summertime. And then the other element that I added to create home decor for summertime is I added a lot of layers and textures. So I love that really textured look where you have a blanket on top of a blanket on top of a blanket on a table or something like that, because I just think it's so cozy and it's very welcoming and warm. And for summertime, we don't need a lot of blankets to keep us warm, obviously, but we do have a lot of blankets in the house lying around because we aren't really using them for warmth. So it's actually the perfect time to bring out blankets and use them for decor. So for this home tour, I'm going to show you the family living area, dining area, kitchen, which is kind of a one big great room, and then the front porch, and you'll see a little bit of the front and backyard as I'm cutting flowers, and the master bedroom. I will have a tour soon of other parts of the house, including our nursery, when I'm done with that. So stay tuned because it's so close to being done and I can't wait to share it. So without further ado, let me show you the home tour. I'm just gonna let you enjoy it and listen to some music, and I might add a little comment here or there too. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video and enjoying the home tour, and I hope you felt welcomed into our house even though this is only through a video. I hope you are enjoying the summertime. If you're brand new to my page, make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. Every week I post new farm-to-table recipes and homemade natural living from our homestead here in Duvall. Thank you so much for stopping by the Duvall Homestead.